I did close by. So baby,
when it makes you happy,
it can be the one.
I said when it makes you happy,
it can be the one.
Here we go.
Charlie,
You need just some.
it's me who wapa.
Ah. What else my cat was on 99? And the moose say, slow down,
Sir, me catch you. Me catch you say Jimmy. Me Jimmy. The make a piano a point. What's that for? Say something. Hey, maybe I did. Ah, boom. Boom me more.
I tell you so. It's all my worry.
Whoa! Maybe I did. Oh, hello.
Don't worry me. What worry me?
About the same.
You can't me.
Hey, we shake you what's it? Tell me you're down. What you beautiful? It's not quite online. Any more things?
No worry.
Sir, baby girl, about the same didn't see.
A friend me. I know cast of person me give me. And oh, you're catching me. Some who pray me. Hey, Koya. Fine, punko to Joe Melimi.
Wow! A whole secondino punko to Joe winning.
See, oh, but so many nights. Till you show. There may be Bianca. I'm so Michelle because you. I feel dear, your cow crutches. I am a depraved video. Say, I saw worry me. I saw I am in a second wife.
I'm not a girl.
She said, they are done.
Mrs. Oh, no, one like kiss me, crabble, Mrs.
You had want to see you.
But what to 2 years?
So, may she want. Now, so see. Baby.
Right. Oops, I mean, so baby.
Ella. My catch will say, I'm to your boss, me yame. Your memory and memory pa. Want to mean Jane and Faba Safa and so on faso. Ella, I'm going to see baby. Mamma Bass and I'm around. My catch will say, your memory and memory papa. Obi bia no betimi adwen at the basafa at one and faso da. Ella.
It's not easy for me.
Ella, I know. Ella, I know. Me name the fam. That's you enjoy me nyame. Oh Ella. Yes, I know mama raho. Oh God.
It's a me this me does me very
Ella.
alright.
And what are you supposed to do and then you are?
Oh, John, then I'll baby. Oh, be some so baby. Eh, my brother. And see, what that one now a war is so good in your own bed.
Send it to me, to a jam.
Hey, Tom, you feel the way. Catch us on 2 minutes.
On soon, Quahi. I beg Quan of a move to Papa for just 1 minute. Penny now there and some big piano film one a giant coaches and so free.
Yeah, something.
Yeah, my son, so how many a day? I ate too much. A football in here too much. Come on, a football near fake and up a shot. You are blind, you can't see, right? Ah,
Who got tower no obi be ma no akofo free class na current dey ma what na what rent for 2 months no who ba betu no tie na no asema ka kotu unim unim do betu na ye who tie na so ka kotu no who kotu na kotu na ye 2 months rent dey betu me ka current that is not bank current I is now want me for 1 minute want me that man who good advice they be a bit here for be all
Tilly who friend wa who invite no come na ye di no mami why na afro wa. What is your problem?
What is my problem? The problem is
what do you want?
Leave them. Matilda and the boyfriend in your peaceful relationship for just 1 minute. Ade.
Minja o mon me. Minja o mochi.
So two and what you fear never be take bad advice. Want to mean nothing man who good advice for once. Want to mean nothing man who good advice. It's about tower area so near taste wouldn't be open made now when you feel and just of our also. Ade, and a bema waka behind our full press in a babes no promo. Over shooting by because of their all natural. Why you like first? You can't give yourself good advice for once. No. No, wait, this one I also
don't mind her. Very serious. Wait, your person and your one cover yamana.
Me,
and your one cover yamana.
I saw not to soon and me and I saw my name for Amy. I said,
Musan or your walk our brother in shape. I'm waiting, Jaffe test away. Number 1.
Hi.
Hello. Oh, I'm about to cry.
You never told me love is around.
Oh, your fault.
At least you should have. And why are you crying? Why? Are you okay? Sorry, baby. Come on. Sorry. So should I get you some medicine?
Okay. Can I excuse you?
Oh, no, never mind. That's okay. At least, no. Then let me rather instead excuse you guys because I believe you were having some tete-a-tete.
Yeah.
Please, I'm around, okay?
I'll join you soon.
Okay. All right. Then I'll leave you guys.
All right. Ella.
What?
Ella. What exactly is going on?
What is your son? What's happening this pretending.
What's it? Obia be your sacred pass okuna yosa. But all the same, Ella. Oh, I really you to me your horse man in yame. Nyame be show anyone. So what's it? If I'm comparable. Meaning say, the parents pressure na the man and they be a man react to sir. Sure.
God,
Cheer up, Ella.
Young flower. Who by the idea of Fiaco. Confused. Nonsense.
why you confused? And you're confused. And say they all can know when they all bet to me aye. Or no bet to me you know her. Oh yeah, my friend, met me too. It is all for good advice. I better am also for bad advice. That's who be see if you can say, oh yes, I'm a baby here. Who be say machine so how I know. What was so? Yes, if you have it.
It's oh podam papa. If you know. Ye posu na ne ye. Onu na ko nya sabra na ko be bwa mana broso. Obe ya mana broso tili. Don't mind it. Ye posu na ne ya. Hwe kai se e kurase na nyina fi ba ye wo ba se wo be opra. And the rest na ye wo no ye popra ko ye wo ko ye chi. Wo free kurase wo ba no wo ja wo maame wo ja wo nyan keto. Wo ba what's about the Fabema to so and I wouldn't sponsor per man. Obeying is going to be a coffee. The same son of Abusiano said, wouldn't this cow sale? My friend, Bob Bray, for year to year. What's a year? Night men got Sir Perry. I said, I'm with you, a Bob. Uncle Fee now walk on one who could ye. What's a man or what it takes Muna? What's a what's chain by now? Can go cap up a beam? We got see a Perry and I went boy. My friend,
What else is you renting now?
renting. It's
Hey, hi.
Hello.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good. Is Tilly there?
No, she's not inside.
Oh. But she's not at her workplace too.
Really?
Yeah.
At this time? Have you called her?
Her phone is off.
Come on. So you are here to...
Yeah, come town into a member workplace. We only went to listen to check here, see her so.
1 minute. Me cry na me no won komo bia me pese me no di o.
Okay.
Yeah, inti madam for tili mu ye sure say money no kasa mutu ni fo.
Yeah, no kasa. Me and kasa me too ni for pan. I don't know. My sister penny no. On the man all that bad advice no. Because me akra ewom. It is a mekabia a good cranna. My sister and man bad ideas. I know what fair no. On her friend 99 ideas.
Are you talking about Mariam?
Yeah, oh.
So she's the reason behind all this, right?
I don't need baby. You have to relax. Everything will be fine. And man who pressure too much because it's not good for your health. Just relax. Baby, cool. Okay. A man who pressure baby. And do you know something? You're a very nice guy. You're a very nice guy. Or baby, you have out. You have everything. Or baby, you show baby. Like your skin color, your beard, everything. But my name they had feelings so yes.
I'm not feeling comfortable.
I know, but relax. Okay? A man who pressure baby because it's not good for your health. It's really relax, man. Okay, everything will be fine.
So well, to go call Rosa and why and a young boy become me frank and compare a juma via a check you. So you know, like hey, I say, what is it?
What has come over you? Huh? Talk to me. What has come over you?
Nothing, uncle.
Nothing? So why can't you look at my face?
I know very well doing the lesson differently. I have to apply the yes. The yes is doing the lesson, not the I, uncle.
Fifi. Oh, no wonder. I was told that you have changed. And this is the evidence. Look at your behavior. Huh, Fifi? Why are you doing this? Huh? To the extent that you can bring another woman into your house. Your matrimonial house. Fifi, you've gone too far. You've gone too far. This has never happened in our family before. Oh, see that we have swim. Why do you want to be the first?
Uncle, the whole issue is looking at my personality. I can't go to a hotel and rent a room apartment and have an affair or, excuse me my language, I mean flex over there. It will be a disgrace. So I think it will be much better whilst I have so many rooms around. I could be able to use one of them.
So you prefer bringing the woman to your own house, your matrimonial house?
Time to go to a different hotel and disgrace myself.
Are you mad? When you are mood, Can you imagine the pain in the heart of this woman? Can you imagine the disrespect? Huh? Fifi, this is too much. You better put an end to it. Do you hear me?
Uncle, you should understand that all the pressure that I'm going through, it isn't my fault. The pressure lies, it's coming from my mom. She's been giving us pressure day in and day out. She wants a grandson or a granddaughter. So at that sense of non-difference, the bad will be good. If she's not ready to at least give birth, I need to try for another perspectives.
Fifi, you are making me angry.
That is the whole thing.
You are making me angry.
That's the whole thing, Uncle.
Oh, mama, no worry, be saying mawa.
No, Uncle.
I'm not worried, mawa.
No.
Now what are there for better for worse? And I know in Taza.
No, they said it and I had to follow and respect to what the pastor was saying. So when as soon as the pastor says something, I have to read or listen or also go by the words that the pastor was saying. So when he ended up, I have to end it up as well.
I thought you loved this woman.
That was then, Uncle.
Oh, so you are telling me that the love is no more?
That's when the baby's part. But when the baby's no part, I can't.
What a shame.
To me,
you?
No, I don't think.
You should think. Since you grow wings, make an anchor. Make an anchor.
Not that, Uncle.
Not that, no, everybody.
Not that. You should understand very well that.
Stop that foolishness. I should understand what?
The love I was having for her.
You see, the love you were.
It's an insurance and it has expired. When it expires, you have to renew. So the baby can make the love renew. And
Let me tell you. If you dare do this again, you will see where power lies.
Control yourself. You know you have pressure. Control yourself.
I should control myself. You control yourself.
You have
you
pressure.
control yourself. You want to bring disgrace to this family.
Pressure too much with diabetes, please.
You just sit down and just talk anyhow. And let it happen again. You see what I will do to you. My dear, take it easy, okay?
Thank you so much. Uncle, please, I'm inside.
Tilly.
Hey! What is it?
Your house.
Can't I have peace in my own house now? I was in the room and you came there, Tilly that, Tilly this, and I came out. Now you followed me up here. What is it?
Tilly, who is that Kevin on your phone?
Hey!
What's funny here? I'm talking to you. Who is that Kelvin on your phone?
So now, you've been going through my phone contacts, right?
Of course.
Show.
You can't. Unko ye jumambra show. Oh, you fucking lie. I mean, who na make bisa? Oh, onye jumambra show. Na ide. My show be daw.
Excuse me.
My be daw. Oni me. Enye se na na mti o. O ba beginning na me sogu ano. Enye se na na mti e. Enye se na chia. I know just so bet my money.
To hell with that. I've been taking care of you. You are so much ungrateful. That's what I always tell you. I have been performing the role of a man in this house. I put money on the table before you can eat.
Tilly.
What are you trying to tell me?
The fact that I'm broken doesn't mean you can treat me anyhow in this house.
Your friends are working their ass off. And you are here complaining.
Really? I'm here complaining, right? I'm here complaining. So I should allow you to do that fucking things, eh? Tilly, oh mama no me hu. Oh mama no me hu. Eh? Mama ka be bi nchire o. Sa chia na nche se ebu o.
Unim bebua. Kwa himfie. Enya ha na abegina be. Oh please,
really?
let me have my peace of mind.
Kwa himfie.
Please.
Go inside,
let me have my peace of mind.
Now till the mitonya me say na obeya ka me bo hit and run. E come from Bambet, not them as a guy and a lady. What kind of stupid is that?
Oh,
you have a cat. Of course.
Now I die now with him. I am the young rent.
And so what?
We are me fear rate too.
What fear to me?
Maybe you too.
What am I to me?
I die the same media. Me fear rent.
So what
you fear?
Okay. When I bear man about me to me.
Oh, buy me you look for which one now. I say yarefo.
Will you know for
I am me and can ya be that. E kasa kan ya we kwa be that.
Mate, why? Tina snack can rubbish. Say nya one can for me who be that. Why can rubbish?
Oh, please.
We shall see.
Woman cheating on woman. Emo pa so de hiafo ne fon so ahwehwe de. Sikania kwa bonetai. Baby, I'm going to work. I bet na say, ehwehwe fon. We straight, till this, till that, till this. We here sumawo.
Great. I will be my fraud that I mean so bani.
What it ya business practice.
Assemble also I know the business not to change. No go me at least when the situation I'm go move here.
Is it akwa kwesi say?
Could you believe say Tilly a minimnas my girlfriend at Tilly na want to sa Tilly and her bra said you boo mommy Tilly as a son no every Mariam.
Bra ye brana ye kasa bebrebe gina every. Now you didn't have information we.
Mene Sandra didn't come on and commodity dim no copeja betum say a man in yemi one say Tilly I day as a son now treat me anyhow. Na Ninu Mariam and a politically Tilly mind. Emma Tilly treat me anyhow Fiano.
Mariam did what dying tea.
The what dying tea coconut mode bisano.
One has hand
on the charm is this no.
Or no girl now what she said more guy said the only teaching a friend say what hinechino. One moment has had you know.
Right.
It debut here. Or baby who has said with the fact I don't want you and I say any said the way in anything. Bema Ben about time about what day would tell more ways and do with trophy. And no one yan or the son and say.
Rich, I know they just all know a bit much. It's so cool, charm a dissonor as an Indian Joe boy.
Baby, you want the ent nephew. And must ask him who no gay we now wouldn't say. Sa girl, we may decay when the coin be so by name investment woman. There be a dynamic bomb has he with the children one a year fence a wife focus and I and a bema 1 year you might dinner see if you again it wouldn't me say a beer a man commodity the other no cut more bedroom 7 young community. Be here and before wife from catch and say be near your who be an ass on an auntie and a mob body kibi. Best will go so yes I didn't was 30 yet.
Rich, Baby be saying I was a bomb money, at least, or friend him. What's more small baby in young, come out way.
And yes, in Biana Matthias and woman, yes, I can't man or two. And relationship is where a bear man now would interfere will be moved bra. A domondo person be a third person.
This is not about being third person. You know, any part go wrong. And or yes, say no, you have to let me know. New set, near being a bet, Siana. What I say?
Na me on here, one no walk as I know. Some are no movie as I see. Entini ye bu baby say obi nim obrempon ahyase it is wo nipa na hweniye na china bi beba no na ebia won te se de wote no kwame despite wonim na ahyase Canada Japan wonim na ahyase eye wo sese bi se wadwuma saye a na nche se wasaye na it is so dey na pese ye no
Rich for now no we need to asem in school nyina me ne wa menyando kwaye den krowa na wugina machi. Yes. Ah, near the Drew Sabre. Me so the moon soon some my body probably. Me away. It is so per Uncle Bonana. No, we crowd the win see a bono for now. A warning that they command. Or see a Konyama lady no strong warning. Sir, one just answer can like on chin or crowd free till you. But once a warning boo her may again tell in life city. Your Conny a can or can and not tra. Me Jenya me so. It may bosom a to do what teach a moonsia was sick or cassia.
Na no friend to kwana na num fata sotro. Ye kwana se wo ye mistake a wallahi talai. He? Messi ni so mamalika bia.
Meaning say when we near then you know me say school nyina me nhyeda nye gidi sa.
Wo ba na wo betwa be ma desen. Wo ba na wo betwa be ma desen. Masa wonim nti watra de etro. Chale etino nyame boa etina wo de memi akọ.
Yes.
Je kono wo ye lista be ma.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be.